Greetings of the day. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your geography class. Today we are starting a new chapter, lesson number 6, Hydrosphere. We all know that the Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has necessary elements to sustain life. These are air, water, and soil. The realm in which water is found is called hydrosphere. It covers 71% of the Earth's surface. It consists of seas, oceans, and other water bodies. The continuous movement of water from oceans, seas, rivers, and other water bodies to the atmosphere, to the land, and back to the ocean is known as the hydrological cycle or the water cycle. First of all, water in oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, river, and soil gets heated up by the sun and turns to water vapor through evaporation. A vast quantity of water evaporates from the oceans into the atmosphere, then circulates over the land in form of clouds and falls on the ground in the form of rain, snow, hail, or sleet. Water vapor, being lighter, on reaching the high altitude cools down and condenses to form clouds. The clouds, when loaded with water vapor, change to water droplets. Cool air cannot hold as much water vapor as warm air, so the vapors condense. They cluster around the dust particles present in the air and form big masses called clouds. In other words, we can say condensation takes place and water comes down on the earth in various forms of precipitation like rain, snow, hail, fog, mist, dew, etc. When rain falls, water that reaches the earth's surface may seep into the ground, replenishing groundwater. If the temperature is very low, the water droplets fall as snow. Water also precipitates in the form of drizzle, sleet, and hail. Hence, water enters lithosphere. Some of it may run off the land, filling up rivers and streams, thus bringing back the lost water from the water bodies. This is how circulation of water continues in nature, forming the water cycle. Now we'll see the water distribution in the hydrosphere. Seas and oceans are large bodies of water that make up about 97% of the hydrosphere. The rest is fresh water in the form of continental ice, especially in the polar regions, lakes, rivers, and groundwater. A small amount of water is found in the form of hydrated minerals and in the living organisms too. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean are the 5 major oceans of the Earth. The 2 remaining oceans, namely Arctic and the Antarctic, are known as lesser ocean. The composition of seawater, unlike fresh water, the ocean water is salty. This is due to the presence of dissolved minerals. Seawater contains sodium and chlorine that we find in table salt. Besides these, magnesium is found in abundance along with sulfur and other common elements. All these make seawater salty.